Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you all having a fun, safe Sunday night. I almost said Monday. But yeah, hope you all are having a good time. Hope you're all staying safe. I decided that tonight would probably be the best night to get these two model kits that I have had for the longest of time and finally get them built. So we got Lugia, we got Gengar, we got one legendary, one I think Gengar was considered a pseudo legendary, kind of like how Arcanine is, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But yeah, we're gonna build them tonight. That's basically gonna be the gist of it. We might do some games afterwards if there is time, but knowing how long it's probably gonna take me to build both of these two, probably not gonna be the case, and we're gonna have to do games tomorrow night. But yeah, let me get the music started and let's get to building, shall we? I think, Actually, I'll leave it up to the chat. What do you think we should build first? Do you think we should build Lugia or do you think we should build Gengar? I'll add first person in the chat to decide what we do first. Well, I wait for chat to do that. Just want to make sure every... Oh, Lugia. Okay. Alright. Gengar, you go right here. Just want to make sure everything went up okay. Yep, everything looks good. Alright, let me get some music on for everybody. And let's get to building, shall we? Kind of fitting, to sail the sea. We're picking the water dragon as our first model to build. I'm wondering if this is going to be judging by how many stickers we have, it doesn't look like it's going to be a ho-ho level of, oh god, there's too much going on. But looks to be about a Reshiram size difficulty. You know what? I'll put that there. I'll put that right there in case I need to put any of the pegboards in there. That was the rest of the chapter of the Yakuza game. Really weird. It got super weird at the end of it, but so far it's pretty good. You'll be able to catch the VOD on that. I'm actually working on getting the VODs up on a schedule for this week, so tomorrow should be the Monster Hunter video that we did a month ago. And after that, I think game clearing and doing the second part of Warhammer was the next one that should be going up on Wednesday. It's understandable, Moon. I need scissors for this. Oh, hell yeah. I'll just lay that in there. And we'll lay that right there. And we'll put the stickers right there. There we go. Okay. Do I have it at the right set? Body. Okay, this is a weird setup for it. So, oh, yeah, that's the back of it. That's why it was weird. Alright, time to work on the wings and the tail. Okay, so V15 and V210. B14. It should be right there. Ow. So how is everybody doing tonight? Hope we're all having a good night. Let's see. So B15. Okay, so that's B14. This is 5. The way this thing has it set up, it's like really weird. How do you want me to do this? Oh, like that. Hey, Daisy. Alright, let's see. A1 and A11, A29. Ow. There we go. The worst part about doing model kits is when you jab yourself in the fingers with these, like the little spikes that hold the pieces together. But yeah, that's 9. There we go. Okay, how do you want me to do this? Like this. Like that. Ah, now I see. Got a little confused of how the thing had it displayed, so it had it like. Let's see if I can get it. So it's like that, and I thought it was like, do you have to like fold it together or something? But no. All right. Probably could. There we go. That should be a little bit better. Okay, now A12, which would be this. Okay, so there we go. Need it facing forward, yes. Wait, did I screw this up? I hope not. No, it didn't. I got scared for a second. Okay, now for what I'm gonna guess is the body. So B13, A16. Maybe you. And A16 is this thing. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Wait, how do you want it? Okay, like this, maybe? No? Yes? Maybe? Possibly? B13. Is it? Ooh. That's why I had the body upside down. That's why I was so confused. Alright. And B212. It would be this, which looks like a part for a car. Like, it literally looks like a car part. The clutch. Yeah, that's the word. I was gonna be like, was it the clutch or like the drive shaft? But I don't think it was the drive shaft. Is that how you want it? No. That's how you want it. Features 17 B18. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. I didn't want this. This. There we go. That's what's out. And then same with this. How many of these Pokemon models do I have now? Let's see. So far we got Eevee, Pikachu, Zekrom, Reshiram, Ho-Ho, and Mewtwo. And now Lugia and Gengar, of course. So that's 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. Oops. Grabbed the wrong part. And then there's a Zekrom I saw that I'm probably going to get at some time. And after Zekrom, I think that's all the Pokemon model kits that can be built. Or at least all that I've been able to find. Those universal models? Ah. There was another Halo one that I saw, so maybe after we get done with all the Pokemon ones, we might go and do that other Halo one. And then, honestly, I don't know what other model kits to do after this. And I don't want the series to end because, you know, I love doing it. It's a nice, relaxing thing to do, especially like after a very busy and taxing day at work. There, I believe? Yes. That, keep the wings in place. So far, so good. Now we put the front part of his chest up. How about the Nintendo one? Know where you build an instant TV. I would love to do that, Daisy. However, that thing's expensive. Like, I think it goes for like $150 to $300. I actually did see one sitting in a store, which is rare, I have to admit, and I was kind of tempted to get it, but at the time I was kind of saving money. So, maybe after we get all the other model kit stuff done, maybe I'll do the NES Lego build. It's just gonna really depend on how much it goes for, and if I can actually find one at a decent price. should do it for the body. And now for the head. Alright, so that'd be for the tongue. B213, B211. Wow, that is a tiny piece. I almost didn't recognize it. Here, just to show you how tiny it is. That's it compared to my hand. Oh, this is gonna be fun. One of the sticker pieces goes on the very small piece. Damn, off center. There we go, got it. No, it didn't. God, it's so tiny. Alright, there we go. Got it. Whew. Yeah, that tiny sliver of pink, that is how big of a workspace I had. Okay, B214. That would be you. Alright, so... God, this is such a tiny mouth. That. And then put that on there, hopefully, maybe, possibly. The only thing I can really compare to was like the tips of like Ho-Ho's talons and the tail feathers. But I don't know, this one was pretty tiny. Actually, this might actually make things a little bit easier for me. Actually, I should have just did that in the first place. It made it a lot easier for me. Whew. One day I'll go through a model kit building stream without accidentally dropping a piece. Thankfully it didn't fall onto the floor. Alright, now that the mouth is done, B17 and B16. That would be this, and that's actually done with all of B1. It's good that I just got done because I just snapped this thing almost in two. Stop hurting myself. Never! That's like saying... That's sorry. That's like trying to say water stop being wet. There's no activity in this world that doesn't somehow end up with me hurting myself. Is that where it fits? Did I? No. That was the right one. Just really awkward. There we go. Now we close the head in. Looking pretty good. I'm wondering what the brown piece. I guess maybe the top of Lugia's mouth? Close the head a bit. Yep, it is top of Lugia's mouth. But I'll wait until we get to that point. Don't want to jump the gun and accidentally ruin the whole thing, because you know that's happened before. I put it in the wrong eye, that's why. I was like, why am I having such trouble with this? There it is. Okay, ASMR for you. Used to watch Dad build his monster models and loved it. So, welcome to the Lugia Model Kit building stream. So far, we are about 60% done. Lugia is probably my favorite of all the Gen 2 legendaries. I really love Lugia's design, and it was good enough to get its own movie. And a lot of people have a lot of issues with Pokémon 2000, but I personally think it's up there as one of the best ones. Pokémon 2000 is such a dumb movie, but I find some weird sense of joy when I watch it. Movie was on yesterday. Oh, what timing. That piece. Like that. Yes. Gotta get the back fins in. You know what is such a missed opportunity for a Pokemon to make a comeback? The Shadow Pokemon, specifically Shadow Lugia. That was such a cool design, even if it was just, oh, Lugia but evil. It was so good. I really need to play the Pokemon Stadium games, or not the Stadium, Coliseum games. And I think I can actually get the first one at the very least, but I don't know about the second one, because I think XD is actually a lot rarer and a lot more expensive to get than the regular Coliseum. I was talking about that recently. Alright. A113, A13, and A1. Oh. Yeah, these two. Coliseum is better. I know, but I remember I rented Coliseum back when like movie and game rental stores were a thing. Before they went the way of the dodo. And Coliseum was one of those games that I found a lot of joy in, but I never could finish because it was back when I just skipped through everything, didn't really pay attention to what I was doing. I'm not doing this right, am I? No, I need the other piece on first. But it would be great if I could actually find a copy of Coliseum and replay that as a revisit to my childhood. Got a bit of a turkey leg going on right there, Lugia. Alright. It's B2 16 and 15. That would be this. feet on. Maybe? Possibly? If I can get the... Why is the bottom of the feet not working? Maybe like slide it? No, that's not the case. Did I get the wrong one? Yes, I did. That's why I'm having such issues. I'm an idiot. Maybe? Lugia, why are you having a lot of trouble with your feet? Alright, let's try this. Come on, it's like slip it into a shoe. Just slip in and put it on. There we go. Might as well just do this to get it out of the way then. There we go. Alright, this one is for this leg. And now we build the other leg. Maybe. There we go. Ah. Keep your foot on there. Lugia, there we go. Oh, the tail does swing around. Hey, look at that. Looks pretty good, I have to say. Okay. So, do that. Push in here to enforce it. Well, we're not done yet, Moon. We still gotta build its base and also get the eyes and the mouth on. So just do this. Maybe. Come on. Come on. There we go. And we'll put that away. That's upside down, isn't it? Yes, it is. There we go. Oh, okay, so these are two completely different bases. So we could have, like, the Lugia, like, in this pose, or we could do the Lugia, like, coming out of the water pose, so have it like this. Ah, like that. You hold it by the tail. Although this feels a lot less stable than how the other pose would be. So I think we'll... actually, it'll all depend on how well it will fit up on the shelf. But I might actually go with this pose instead. Actually, that's a lot more stable than I thought it would be. Oops. Ah, Lugia, you stay like that. Alright. Let's get the top of your mouth put in. Slip right in there. Actually gonna use this to press it back in the back there, and golden. It's actually a really good, like, theme pops he made for this person. There we go. And with that, Lugia is done. I have it backwards. Right there, and with that, we're done. Look how happy Lugia is. Hi, I'm alive. I'll put Lugia right over there for a moment. Let's get this closed. Oh, I love doing these model kits. They're so fun and relaxing. Alright. I need to adjust some things up. There we go. Okay. Put these away. Alright. Now, it is time for Gengar. And Lugia, you can just sit over here and watch chat. Alright. Ooh, you're big. You only got 2 pegboards. We might have 3 pegboards. Might actually be able to make Gengar faster than Lugia. Hell, we might actually be able to make Gengar faster than Rayquaza, and that was pretty damn fast. Doesn't look like Gengar has a stand. I guess it makes sense. Pikachu and Eevee didn't. And I think Gengar is more the Pikachu and Eevee tier, and not like the other legendaries that we've gotten. Granted, it is just a big purple blob with a tongue, so makes sense. Multiple different eyes? Do we have like different like things we can pull out and put in? Who knows? So yeah, there's actually like 3 different expressions you can get with Gengar. So you got smiling, you got mouth open, and then you got tongue. Probably one of my favorites on this track. Just such an upbeat title. Alright, B1A1. Actually... Okay, I see. So, this... A1. Oops. Wait, how do you want me to do this? Not like that, because that's the wrong mouth. Whoops! This is the right mouth. Gengar. Wait, why do you have to be difficult? Why is the side of his mouth being so difficult? What the hell? Does it need to be like a perfect fit? Alright, this time, let's work on the right side. No, once again. What the hell? It's like, gotta fit in at a very specific angle, which is weird. There we go, finally got it. Alright, now let's get the other one. I think we're gonna go with, like, the full Gengar experience. Alright, A14 and A15. If I can get it out of the board, there we go. Oh, Gex is streaming? Let me guess, he's doing Animal Crossing. No, is he doing Classic or... No, just a test stream. Okay. Who knows? Maybe we'll rate him after we get this done in a timely manner. Or who knows, maybe he'll raid me. Alright, so we can either have him look forward... left or right? I think we'll just go with the look forward option. there. He's having audio issues. Maybe is he like working with a new setup or... Oh god, I just got whiplash from that. Is he working like with like a new setup or what's going on? Alright, we'll just go with the angry eyes facing forward. This looks so wrong. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my stream. Ah, that actually hurt my throat a bit. No, can't hear the game. Ah, okay, I thought it was like audio issues on his end, but it seems like it's from the game's end. And then you can just change out the faceplate. Honestly, now if I leave him like this, he just looks like a purple Glalie. Hey, where are my arms? Ah! So I could just pop that out. And if I want different, and there, he's now just very happy. But we're gonna stick with a full Gengar experience, of course, so we gotta keep his mouth open. Okay, so A19. A1 is this? No, that's B. B2, A1. I think this is his tail. Yes, that would be the case. A16 and A17. Look at his tiny fingers! Look at his itty bitty fingers! Oh, right. Give me. Alright, sorry about that. Something just popped up, just need to make sure everything was okay. There we go. Alright. Now it's time for his tiny feet. yeah, that's all that's left for this one. It was just the small tongue, which you could slip in there. It would look like that. What's left? I might as well get this out as well. Put this away and get it out of the way as... Okay, how do you want me to do this? B5, B3. Oops, I put on the wrong end, didn't I? Yes, I did. Ooh, easy there. This out. Get the last of these out. Put those away. Put that in there. Close that up. Whoop. Not gonna happen tonight. Not this time. Actually, no, put that over here just in case I ever feel like swapping it out for something different. I doubt I will, but it's always nice to have the option. Alright. All that's left is the tongue, and there we go. We got ourselves a Gengar. Oh no. Lugia, look out! Gengar's coming, and he's gonna use Lick! Ooh, I almost accidentally knocked Lugia out of the base. Whoops. But yeah, there we go. That is everything. So now we got like the different face that we could put on Gengar. We got if we want to keep his mouth open but his tongue inside his mouth. Or if you just want to give him a nice big smile. And of course, I got, like, the other eye, so if you want, like, looking left or right. But, yeah. This has been really fun. This has been really relaxing. And we are already done in under an hour. So, it's already 9. I don't really have time to do any other games. So, what I think I'm going to be doing for the schedule this week is... This week's going to be a lot different. Tomorrow is probably going to be a small stream. I've been feeling in a Ninjala mood, so maybe we'll do some Ninjala when I get home from work. On Wednesday, that's actually going to be the game clearing night, because Friday is going to be something different. I'm moving game clearing to Wednesday, Yakuza to Thursday, and Friday, me and possibly a couple of the mods are going to be playing through Super Mario 3D Land, which I actually saw a copy at work today, and I was just like, give it to me. I want it. You're right there. Just let me take you home. But yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be a nice, relaxing week. Other than that, not much else to say. Let me go to intermission real quick. Let me get the music off. There we go. Alright. But yeah, that's going to be the schedule for the week. Birthday's on Friday. Well, happy early birthday to you. But yeah, I'm glad people have been able to come watch and come relax for these model kit building streams. If I ever do come across any new ones or any ones that I would like to build at some point, because there were a couple out there, like the Mega Man ones. I'd love to get my hands on those and get those built because they look pretty good. There's also... honestly, I've been kind of tempted to get like a couple of the Star Wars ones I've seen and build like X-Wings, B-Wings, Y-Wings, all that stuff. Because those look like fun, but I need to know if they are like the Pokemon ones and the Halo ones, or are they stuff that requires like glue and paint and stuff. But like some of you said, I'll try my best to get the Lego NES and maybe dedicate night to building that thing, even though I feel like dedicating a night is going to be asking too much, and it's going to be more of nights plural, because yeah, that thing's a pretty big beast of a build. Because like, you build the NES, you build the game, you build the controller, and then you have to build the TV, and the TV actually functions, so it's like you're actually playing the game, which is a pretty cool concept. But yeah, let me put this stuff away real quick. Let's see, put you in there, put you in there, get that in there, get that all out of the way. Alright, let's put you in the boxes away. I'm gonna go and find a place for Lugia and Gengar, and when I get back, we'll send a raid to someone. We'll probably raid Gax if he's still streaming. I just need to figure out what our raid message is gonna be for tonight. Okay, I'm back. Doesn't look like we got an idea for a raid message, which I guess makes sense. It was kind of a fast night, so we didn't really have a whole lot to work with. Well, in that case, let's just go send a raid to hopefully Gex if he's still alive. Yeah, he's still alive. Playing some Sparrow 2. And and from the looks of it, it is reignited. So, let's go give Gex some love. Looks like which one's he at? That looks like Limber. What is up with the gem cutters in the redesign? Oh god, they look weird. Alright, go give Gex some love. I've caught a couple of his streams in. He seems like a pretty cool dude. I will see you all tomorrow for some Ninjala. Possibly, if I'm too tired, then I'll let everybody know I'm too tired to do a stream. And other than that, Wednesday, of course, once again, just want to give one more update. Wednesday is Game Clearing, Thursday, Yakuza, and Friday is 3D World. Alright. Good night, everybody. Hope you all had fun. I will see you all next time.
Oh my god!
Ka?